Hello everyone, please contact Professor Robert for a sample or a customized paper of the following or any other assignment. Math 225N Week 3 Lab Assignment. Description: Math 225N Week 3 Lab Assignment. Statistical data presentation, pain and heart rate. Math 225N Week 3 Lab Assignment. Frequency distribution, neonates and weight loss. Acquired resources. Read review the following resources for this activity. OpenStax textbook. Chapter 2. Lesson. Chamberlain University Library. Internet. Scenario summary. This week's lab highlights the use of graphics, distributions, and tables to summarize and interpret data. Follow the directions below to find one of the given academic articles from the Chamberlain Library, and then use that to describe the graphs and tables included. Further, you will describe other ways that the same data could be presented. Deliverables. The deliverable is a Word document with your answers to the questions posed below based on the article you find. Acquired software. Microsoft Word. Internet access to read articles. Steps to complete Week 3 lab. Step 1. Go to the Chamberlain Library at https://library.chamberlain.edu. Links to an external site. Step 2. Click Databases in the Search the Library block. Then choose Procus Nursing and Allied Health Database in the drop-down menu. Database search example. Step 3. Below, you will find the titles of 6 articles from the Procus database that show a frequency distribution within the article. Choose one of the articles from the list below. You will perform 2 searches using this article. For our first broad-based search, use the underlined words in your chosen article to search and see how many articles from the database contain these underlined words. See the example below the article list for an example search on postpartum depression. Article titles. Or manifestations in diabetic patients under treatment for ischemic heart diseases. A comparative observational study: systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and pulse pressure. An evaluation of their joint effect on mortality. The relationship between body mass index, BMI, and menstrual disorders at different ages of menarche and sex hormones. Adolescents' first tobacco products. Associations with current multiple tobacco product use. Association of lifestyle modification and pharmacological adherence on blood pressure control among patients with hypertension. A Kenyatta National Hospital, Kenya. The cross-sectional study: demographic, parental, and personal factors in youth athletes' concussion-related knowledge and beliefs. Example of search on postpartum depression. Make sure to checkmark full text and peer-reviewed, and choose last 12 months from the drop-down list. Also, choose English under the language section. This will yield a list of articles about the topic that you chose. Look to see how many results were found. For our second, more narrow search, go back and search for the title of the article that you chose originally. Type a portion of the article title into the search bar, and find the full PDF for that article. Step 4. Complete your lab by taking the following steps. Copy and paste, or post a screenshot of the frequency distribution from the article you chose at the top of your Word document. On your first search, what terms did you use, and what other things did you mark on the search page before conducting your search? Why did you choose the article that you did? How many articles were found with these search terms? Give the full reference of the article you are using for this lab. What data are shown in the frequency distribution and why might it be of interest? Include the size of the classes, noting if they are of a consistent size or not. Also include a conclusion that could be made from the frequency distribution. 1 to 2 paragraphs. How else might these data have been displayed? Discuss pros and cons of 2 other presentation options, such as tables or different graphical displays. 1 to 2 paragraphs. Step 5. Be sure your name is on the Word document, save it, and then submit it under assignments in Week 3 lab. Thanks for watching.